What's up you guys, my name's Jesse and welcome to my channel. Today I'm finna be giving you guys my review on this iconic beauty, the Jaguar XJ6, factory codename X300. I purchased this Jag for my mother on her birthday in 2020. She's been driving it since and has put over 30,000 miles on it, and she hasn't come across any issues, but of course your boy is always looking after it. These Jags from the year 1995 through 1997 went through an excessive redesign and explains why they've been proven to be extremely reliable compared to their previous XJ6 models. Under the hood, or bonnet, the X300 is powered by a 4.0 liter inline 6, not a V6, developing 245 Jag power. Gets 15 miles per gallon in the city and 22 miles per gallon in the highway. Not the best daily car, especially with gas prices going up. There's also a high-performance supercharger model that was introduced in 1995, codenamed X306 or XGR6. I happen to own one and I only get 13 miles per gallon in that Jag, but you know what? It's worth it. The slick engine design delivers a smooth and responsive driving experience, making it an absolute joy to drive on the open road. You can go up to 100 miles per hour and it will feel like you're cruising down 80 miles per hour. These engines are simple to maintain with plenty of space under the hood to work on it. The critical issue is how it was treated by the previous owners. If it was well taken care of, you'll likely have a good, enjoyable Jag, but if not, then it's gonna break your heart and your pockets. While the XJ6 is a reliable vehicle, over time certain components may require attention, just like any other make and model out there. The material that the washer fluid is made of is fragile and later will break. These containers are hard to come by, so if you do end up finding one in the junkyard, make sure to grab it. The thermostat can fail in the open or closed position. It's not difficult to replace, and you can pick up a thermostat at any local auto parts store. The radiator coolant hoses will wear over time, just like any rubber component. Eventually, the valve cover gaskets will begin to leak. When replacing it, make sure to replace it with the spark plug seals and the grommets on the bolts. The throttle body will get sticky due to carbon buildup. Cleaning the throttle body will fix this problem. The EGR valve may fail, but most of the time cleaning the exhaust ports on the EGR valve will fix this issue. The exhaust manifolds will develop small cracks. You can use some exhaust epoxy to push it into the cracks or have it weld. You have to remove the heat shield to find out if yours has cracks. The power steering hoses that attach to the reservoir eventually will leak. You can replace them with some aftermarket transmission hoses that are the same diameter. Do not use heater hoses. The ignition coils may fail, causing the engine to run poorly. There's some low-cost aftermarket brands out there that just work fine. You don't have to purchase the original Lucas brand. On the XGR6, the OEM Ethan torsion coupler has a design flaw. The spring breaks and it floats inside the supercharger nose cone, causing a rattling noise during idle. Replacing it with an aftermarket solid coupler will fix this issue. The 4-speed automatic transmission is known for its durability. As long as you keep up with maintenance, the transmission should provide years of smooth shifts and dependable performance. The gearbox has 2 modes, Sport and Normal. You'll get a higher shifting points in Sports mode. Stepping inside the interior, the Jaguar X300 has a timeless elegance. From the comfortable leather seats and the real wood veneer trim, every detail has been carefully crafted to create a luxury experience. But let's discuss some of the interior problems that an X300 owner may encounter, because it's all about keeping it real with y'all. The center armrest cup holder most of the time don't work, and if they do, just be gentle when opening them because they will break. The headliners will eventually begin to sag like the rappers in the music videos or the youngsters in high school. The LCD clock display will fail, so what happens is the original light bulbs inside will burn the rivet cables that control the LCD. You can get the LCD rebuilt and replace the stock lights with LED lights so it won't happen again. There's problems with the memory power seats. They stop working. The seats are comfortable, but on the driver's side, the leather will eventually tear. Now let's take a moment to appreciate the X300 striking exterior with its slick lines and iconic leaper. It stands out among all the regular traffic cars. It's truly a neck breaker. Some exterior issues are, the antenna may break if it's taken into a car wash, so it's important to remember to turn off the radio before going in. The paint is prone to failing or fade due to sun damage. This Jag has been resprayed. The sunroof can fall off track and stop working. The Jaguar XJ6 X300 is a British classic beauty with a few problems, but remember, with the right care and appreciation, this Jag will surely bring you countless memorable moments on the road or on the side of the road. Just joking. Overall, my mom is very happy with her Jag.
Pues creo que es lo mejor que yo he tenido, aparte de que tú me lo has regalado, estoy bendecida de eso. Maneja perfecto, sientes que estás volando, que no estás manejando. Bien livianito, es lo mejor que he tenido, la verdad que sí. Ningún problema hasta ahorita, ninguno. He tenido problemas hasta con carros nuevos y con este no tengo ningún problema. Me siento tan feliz de tenerlo, agradecida de tenerlo. Fíjate que pensé que iba a ser que iba a gastar mucho gas, pero no, está perfecto. Es igual que 6 cilindros, no gastan. Yo me siento bien y lo uso todos los días, manejo muchas millas, me encanta mi carro. A veces se me olvida y le acelero y me acuerdo, aplácate porque... Gracias papi, de verdad gracias.
No worries. Your birthday's coming up?
No, no es cierto, es para mí.
Yeah.
No. Thank you. Oh my goodness. Wow. No, pero me habían dicho solito feo. Oh, wow.
Happy birthday, mommy.
Thank you. ¿Por qué no me dijeron que me puesto bonita? Déjame regresarme. Vuelvo a actuar. Oh my God. Oh.